Hey guys, I'm just enormous. I'm a drone pilot and I'm traveling around the country to find sweet spots to fly. Today I'm traveling around the Twin Cities looking for cool spots. I actually traveled back from Maine. My last video was in Bar Harbor, Maine. If you saw that video, thanks for watching. I traveled back home to the Twin Cities and now I'm just kind of cruising around. It's a nice day. It's not super cold and it's nice and sunny. So figured I'd bust the drone out. Let's do it. Really underrated spots to go and fly or just like drive around and look at are just all the border towns of Minnesota and Wisconsin. So I've just been driving up, I think it's, I don't know, 35 or something, not 35 the interstate, but Highway 35 on the Wisconsin side. And yeah, there's all these cool spots. I'm in Red Wing right now and I think I'm gonna go and fly this thing. Yeah, so let's see if I can get all the way up to the top of that peak there. I'm gonna test out the long range, and I think I can get up to the peak. I got like a perfect line of sight, so I should be able to do it. And again, I'm flying over water. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. Like every time I'm near the water, I'm like, it's gonna go in. This time, this is the time. But for whatever reason, I can't get away from water, so it just looks too cool in the footage. What can I say? But this time we're doing a little bit of kind of cliff diving. Not really. I don't know. Let's see how this goes here. Damn, this hole's way bigger in person. Anyway, yeah, so it was kind of sweet doing that gap, but I only have one drone, so it was really risky to do it. It was worth it. I'd do it again in a heartbeat. In fact, I did it twice. But we're not doing it again because I have no more props. I literally only have one set of props with me. I got one drone. I think it's time to get on the internet and order some stuff. Maybe get FPV later. Yeah, I think so. Wow, a couple of cool spots that I got to fly this time. If you're ever in the Twin Cities area, so if you're hanging out in Minneapolis or St. Paul, and if you're an FPV pilot or you're a photographer or videographer or anything, highly recommend that you go and check out, just right on the border along the Mississippi River and the St. Croix River, all the spots are just incredible. dare I say it, the Wisconsin side is probably the prettier side, but either side you can't go wrong. Red Wing is just gorgeous, but also Hudson. What else is on the border? It's Hudson, Wisconsin. Stillwater is on the Minnesota side. There's Taylor's Falls, which is, I don't know if that's on the Minnesota or Wisconsin side. All those places are super cool. Red Wing is just beautiful. I think there's Bay City also, or Lake City. I don't know. There's a bunch of really cool spots. Highly recommend it. All right, well, it's getting dark now, so not really much flying left to do. I could do some night flying, and we'll do a video of that in the future here, because it is technically legal now. I'm so used to it being the law where you can't fly at night. I forget that you legally can fly at night now, so that's cool. Yeah, but not much sunlight left, so I think I'm gonna pack it in. But thanks for watching, and if you guys got this far in the video, maybe think about subscribing. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you like the video, please like. That also helps. And I don't know, hang out in the comments, you know, tell me what you thought of the video. If you guys have any suggestions, I really appreciate it. So yeah, until the next one, later.